Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. Yes, there's this new DIY I just found out about and I thought to share it with you guys. It is how to remove hair permanently from your body parts with just the use of baking soda. Does it really work? Well, let's find out. We're using baking soda bicarbonate. So add a tablespoon of baking soda into a bowl. Now place a pan on the stove with a bit of water. When the water starts boiling out, pour in the baking soda just like this and start stirring it. Stir until you notice the water is almost getting dry. Let's say 5 minutes or more. So this is the mixture. Now we apply on the body parts we want with a cotton pad. So after application, leave for about 5 to 7 minutes before washing off. So this is it after about 7 minutes. As you can notice, it is dry. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it off with a wet cotton pad. And then I will go wash it off with warm water and come back to show you guys how it looks like. Well, I didn't notice so much difference, but anyways, I was told it is to be used for 3 days consecutively to see the results. So well, this is me 3 days later. Well, I think it did a bit of its job because I am a very hairy person and I noticed that my hairs are thinner. Look at my other hands and look at the ones I did it on. So it did work a bit. Thanks for staying with me guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.